Hey, Dylan, this is Keaton. So I'm just calling about, I don't know if you recall that little piece at the top of my dough hopper after my shop has gone missing again. So we may need to call upon you to fabricate another part.
Keaton from the donut shop called me the other day. I guess they lost the original bushing I made out of lignum vitae, which is the textbook wood for a bushing. This time I decided to use hickory just because it's cheaper and I had a right size stick on hand. As you can see with this cutting bit meant for steel, it doesn't leave a real good finish, but I guess the job done. Hickory doesn't turn anywhere nearly as nice as lignum. $75, $85. How about it? Friends, family, acquaintances. That's the sound of my ego. Turned the part a bit longer than I needed to, but better on the safe side. Whoa. Thought I would center drill it before I lost my reference to the chuck. The boring bar wasn't long enough to reach all the way through, so I actually flipped it around and went in from the other side. The tolerances on this hole aren't super tight, it just has to be parallel with the outside of the bushing. I'm drilling a hole for the little retention dowel. On the lignum one, I used a screw, and I think I super glued it in, but I was still afraid that it would fall into the donut batter. So this one I glued in a wooden peg, so I don't have to worry about it falling out. And if somebody ends up with a piece of dowel in their donut, they'll be less distraught than if there's a screw in one. When I rushed to get out the door, I forgot my camera, so I didn't get a picture of it installed, but I do have a picture of the old one, the first one I made out of lignum installed. You can see it there. There's the finished thing.